Hey everybody, this is the World Champ Sports Card. This is the Res video, and we are resing this 2018 Bowman High Tech Luis Robert autograph. There you have it. We got a 10 spotter. We're going to mark this live. We are live Thursday, March 18, 2020 at 11:21. As you can see, we're 11:21 Chicago time. Let's go grab the 10 names. Let's drop them in the randomizer. We're going to roll the dice. Let me mark this one. Roll the dice 5 or higher. And we're going to go 7 times. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th and final round. Name on top's going to get this Robert autograph, and the winner is Carl Johnson in the 5 spot. So there you have it. Carl Johnson. Let's mark this done. We are done. 11:22, 11:22. And we have another Robert auto that we just got in. This one. And it is numbered to 75. We'll be putting that up next. So thanks, guys. Do appreciate it. It is 11:22, 11:22. And that was Carl Johnson in the 5 spot. Thanks, guys. Do appreciate it.